assignment solutions. This assignment solution of the first question is to compare two arrays we can use. The first option comparison operator, second option switch case, third option for loop, fourth option ternary operator in array. So in order to compare array of elements, we can compare only individual elements only. So array means it have a number of elements, so that's why required for loop. That means option C is correct. Come to the second, what is the meaning of int array of 6? Here array type is int, so that means it can store an integer values only. So num is the index specified as 6, that means 6 total it can store 6 elements, so size of the array is 6, it can store integer values only. So right option is a B. Come to the third question, an integer array of size 10. Let us take a specified a of 10 is declared in a C programming. The memory allocation of the first byte of the array is 1000. What will be the location of 8th element of the array, and stored element stored in that address location 1000 is identified as the first location, first element. So first element means it can store 0th location. So 0th location address is 1000. So first location of first location address is pointing a 1004 because it can store the integer elements. Specified that each element can occupy the 4 bytes. So that 8th location, okay, 8th location address is 1032. So 1032 is the right answer, B. What will happen if in a C program you assign a value to an array element whose index exceeds the size of the array? Okay, the C language it not supported exceptions. If at all exception is supported, exception going to rise. Okay, C is the not support exceptions. Whenever exception occurred, so simply it can going to ignore, or sometimes it can data going to override. So that's why right answer here, okay, the B. The compiler not give any error, but the program may crash if some important data gets overrides. Right option is a B. Come to the fifth question. The elements of array are stored in the contiguous memory location because. Okay, why the elements of array stored in contiguous location means there are we can say two reasons. That is the first option, this way computer can keep track only the address of the first element and the address of another element can be calculated. In order to calculate address, first location address, second location address, so there must be required contiguous storage. Come to the second option is B. The architecture of the computer does not allow arrays to store other than the serially. So computer architecture of array is stored only serially only. That's why right answer is C. That is both option A and B is correct. Come to the sixth question. What will be the output of the output? Okay, some code is given. In this code, let us observe that the third statement, okay, the third statement int array of 3, okay, just okay, square bracket is specified but is not specified the size here. Okay, so without subscription of a size. C language never allows, so that's why the definitely here we get a error. So the right option is D, error. Next question is, what will be the output of the after execution of the program? Some code is given. In this code, by analysis the code, we can get a, it's a result, printf result value is 1. Eighth question is, what will be the print when the following code is execute? And here some code is given, like main int main isn0, a for loop. Okay, the for loop here, actually for loop we can take in 3 statement, but here skip the 2 statement, that is one is assignment statement and increment or decrement statement is skipped. Okay, no problem, even though it is executed. So that is I less than 9. So initially is a true, that's why I going to increment it and print the I value as a 1. Next again I going to increment it. Next again condition going to check. Now condition going to check with I is 1. 1 less than or equals to 9. So it is a print. Okay, it's a true, so I going to increment it 2 going to print. The first case is printed 1, second case printed 2, third case printed 4, so on. Okay, whenever I value is 9, then also print, okay, is a 10. Okay, that means that right option is that, okay, 1, 2, 3 up to the 10. So right option is a 4th, D. What will be the output? Okay, some code is some small sample program is given. There is int main, int n assign 2, int sum assign 5, switch of n means here 2. So then 2, n is a 2, so case 2 is going to executed. Now case 2 by execution sum is equals to sum minus 1, sum is a 5, 5 minus 1, 3. Here after execution is case 2, sum is a 3. Now but the follow the case 2, there is no break, so that's why next statement going to execute, there is case 3 also going to execute, the sum is equals to sum into 5. So now sum value is a 15. Now break is there, so control come to out of the switch case. Now printf, you can print sum value, that is a 15. The 10th, find the output of the following C programs. Okay. Here right option is C. Okay, by execution this code we can get okay, A is 4 and array of 1th location also 4. Okay, these are solutions for assignment 6. Okay, if you have any doubts you can comment me. Okay, thank you to all. I am submitting here.